Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you navigate the digital world with ease. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that has baffled many: how to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Whether you've accidentally deleted a message or are trying to retrieve something important from a conversation that's no longer visible, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First off, it's important to understand that the success of recovering deleted Facebook messages can vary. However, there are a few methods you can try. Method 1: check archived messages. Sometimes messages are not actually deleted but are archived. Here's how to check. Open Facebook Messenger on your device, tap on your profile. In the top left corner, select Archived Messages. Here you might find the messages you thought were deleted. If you didn't find your messages there, don't worry, there's another method you can try. Method 2: download your Facebook information. Facebook allows you to download a copy of your data, including your messages. Here's how. Go to Facebook settings, tap on settings, scroll down until you find your Facebook information or your information. Here you can see you can download your information. Make sure to deselect all the checked categories except for messages to streamline the process. Choose the data range, format, and media quality for your download. Choose the data range, format, and media quality for your download. Tap on Create Files to start the process. Facebook will then prepare your download, which can take some time. Once Facebook notifies you that your download is ready, you can now download and unzip the file on your computer. And there you have it, 2 methods to try when looking to recover deleted Facebook messages. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly back up your data to prevent loss in the future. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials like this.